Start out small, just give us time. We in the soil, just trying to get our shine. And then we grow, yeah.
Way squad, what the? Yeah. How I lost my whole life savings, even some loans, all of that in crypto. You feel me? Like, we finna get into it today. So I took this major L, and you know, yesterday I wasn't feeling, like this, like coming out of doing a video about it. But today is a new day. It made me realize I learned a lot of lessons from this, and I'm sure a lot of other people can learn lessons from this as well. So let's get right into it. What happened? You feel me? So, of course, I found crypto a few years ago. You feel me? And it wasn't that serious. And at first, I was like, this stuff is kind of cool. You got some new technology. I'm kind of a nerd. You know what I mean? And I love futuristic things, the new things. You feel me? So, boom, I get into it. And stuff was going pretty cool. I just had my simple Coinbase account, and I saw my numbers rising. You feel me? Like, I invested in the right coins, I guess. So I was like, I had some, Ethereum. I had some Solana. That shit went crazy. You know what I mean? And, I was doing the right things. And Coinbase was looking good. Everything was looking good. You feel me? So that was stage one of crypto addiction. You feel me? And then number two, after a G started getting some wins, I was like, all right, I heard about these things called NFTs. You feel me? So I was like, oh, whoa, NFTs. These things going nuts. People is flipping these for major profit. You feel me? So of course, I'm like, shoot, I got my little nest egg here from crypto. So I was like, yo, of course, let me use this. Give me an NFT. You feel me? So I started dabbling in NFTs. Started winning over there. So, I'm making Ks. I'm making grands. You feel me? I'm making thousands of bucks. I'm flipping some NFTs. And I'm like, whoa, like everything so far so good in crypto. I'm getting blessed left and right, dog. Like, I'm like, yo, let me keep going. So of course, my cockiness, my arrogance, my all that stuff, started to increase. I was like, man, I could do anything over here. I could make money anywhere out here. You feel me? So, of course, the risk steepened. You feel me? I started learning about DeFi. You know what I mean? I know y'all know what I'm talking about. All the 10 million, 1,000% APYs and all this. You feel me? So, I jumped in to some, Time Wonderland. I know y'all know about that. Hey, shout out Time Wonderland though. That ain't a bad thing at all. Yo, shout out Time Wonderland. Big blessings on that hoe. But aside from the point, I jumped into that. Made some more money. You feel me? I'm like, dang, yo, this stuff is too easy, bro. Like, I'm out here. I ain't never made this much money in my life. You feel me? I've been grinding on my business. I make music, and I've been coming up slowly, but it was never this fast, like crypto fast. You feel me? So I was like, man, that's a bet. You feel me? I'm gonna keep going out here. So I kept getting into riskier and riskier plays, and I started risking more and more and more. You feel me? So next thing you know, I started getting into futures. If you don't know what futures are, it's basically I call it educated gambling, which all of this is really. But like, futures is basically betting on if the price is gonna go up or down. If it goes, if I say open long, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna make money when the price goes up. If I say open short, I'm gonna make money when the price goes down, and vice versa. I'm gonna lose money. You feel me? So started doing that. Started winning crazy once again. You feel me? I was making. First, I started with, I think, 4,000 was my initial investment. 4,000 was my initial investment, and this included, all the crypto money I made. This included all the money I made off NFTs, and then, so like, it don't sound like a lot, but to me, at the time, it was a lot. You feel me? Because like, I'm getting out the mud. You feel me? Like the mud, like the mud. You feel me? But so I was like, yo, the going is good. So I'm gonna keep going, you feel me? And I started, risking more, you feel me? So I started getting really good at futures because I was like, all right, I had an idea of when stuff was gonna go up and go down. So I was like, hey, this is pretty easy, yo. Started making money in that. So like, of course, got big headed. So I started risking more and more and more. See how futures work is, however much you put on the line is the percentage you'll make. So like making 10% on 10,000 is a lot better than making 10% on 1,000. You feel me? So like, yeah, I could have mitigated my risk and been like, nah, let me only risk, 1,000, and then, what I'm saying, put the rest to the side and use it for other investments. But, I was big headed. I was arrogant. I was in the euphoric phase of crypto. I had never lost yet. It's been, I had a little bit years ago, but then after that, I really got into it like this past 2 years or so, and it was all wins. You feel me? I got rugged one time on like a Solana NFT, but other than that, it was all wins. So I was like, damn, bro, like this shit is too fun. You feel me? Oh, 2 times on Solana NFTs. I got rugged twice. Now I remember. But the second rug wasn't too bad because I ain't paid that much money. It's like $10. So of course they rugged, you feel me? But like, that's aside the point. The point is, I was rarely losing. Like, I was always winning. You feel me? That's the key, bro. That's the key to keep in mind here. I was always winning. So I thought I figured out the whole game. You feel me? I was like, yo, I'm gonna use all this money. I'm gonna invest it back into my music, grow my real passion. You feel me? Which is music and like impacting people's lives through stuff like this, motivational speaking, all that. Like those are my real passions. You feel me? Crypto was just the shit I was gonna use to make the money to execute my real passions. You feel me? And so far so good. So I was like, all right, so I realized I needed like 50K for an investment. You feel me? So I was like, dang, what's the quickest way to get 50K? I was like, futures. Because it's like, I can just put a whole bunch in, bet on open long or open short, and if it works out, I make a whole bunch of money fast, like instant. You feel me? Like 5K in 2 minutes type stuff. So I was like, yo, I gotta go with futures. But boom, my dumb ass was out here risking everything on these futures, yo. Like all my whole nest egg, dog, all my life savings, all my crypto increases, all my crypto gains. I was like, all right, I gotta put it all on the line to make it all, in time. So boom, I'm putting all my money on the line, and it's like one fateful day yesterday, just the worst thing. It literally, in an instant, G was trading futures and the price just plummeted instantly. Like, I don't know what happened. I don't know if somebody a whale sold or something. Just everything just boom and crashed my whole account. I lost all my money. The whole 20 plus G's gone, bro. And I was like, dang, like, dog, I was sick. All those gains, all those great times, all those good moves, all those power plays, all those everything in an instant, all of the fruits of that labor that were tangible, I'm not talking about the intangible, I'm gonna get to that, was gone, bro. In an instant, bro. Like, this gone, bro. And I was like, whoa. It was devastating, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I was sick for a little bit of time. But this is where the lessons come in, yo. I was real sick. So, right now, I'm back to ground zero. You feel me? And I kind of was like, you know what? Let me start a YouTube channel, because I'm going to come up out of this. And I'm going to document the journey. And anyone who hears this story can be impacted and helped by this, which is always my goal, to impact and help the actual world. That is the true value. I realize that money comes and goes, but the impact we have on others with our story, with the stuff that happens to us, that stuff can last a lifetime, you feel me? And somebody might end up getting rich off this, or I might stop somebody from making a terrible decision just off dropping this video, you know what I mean? And not to invest your whole, your whole life savings in essentially gambles. You feel me? So yeah, the lesson I really learned, through all this is that we still alive. You feel me? No matter how bad stuff get, no matter how, crazy stuff can happen, it's like, yo, we live to see another day. And like, the real value out here is love. The real value out here is having health. The real value out here is the tangible stuff. You feel me? Like, at the end of the day, all my crypto stuff was really just numbers on a screen that was here one day and gone the next. You feel me? Like, essentially, that's what I realized. I was like, yo, like, money's dope. Don't get me wrong, money's great, but we got to see it in a different way. I wasn't about to let it ruin my whole life. You know what I'm saying? Like, folks be killing themselves off losses like that. I ain't gonna lie. I was like, yo, bro, death is easier than this, yo, because I feel sick, bro. But like, I'm not gonna do no dumb stuff like that. God put me out here for a reason. So it's like, those is the real lessons I learned, my G's. And it's like, after all that, the thing I decided to do was document my re-come up. I don't know what's gonna happen, guys. I'm literally on this journey with you. Like, this is the story I realized that's just waiting to be told, waiting to be written. And I will document it, but that's only if there's demand. Cause like, I gotta get 10 subscribers on this video, 10 likes, and 10 comments, and I'm gonna drop the next video about my new plays and what I'm doing to come up out the bottom. Like, I'm talking, I'm bottomed out, yo. I got negative. You feel me? Like, and all I got is, the little chips I got left. You feel me? So it's like, I'm gonna use what I got to climb back up. You feel me? Not only climb back up, but past where I was. That's the goal. You feel me? And this is the beginning of that journey. You feel me? Y'all can come along, but like I said, if nobody supports, I'm gonna do it by myself. If I don't get 10 likes, 10 comments, and 10 subscribers, no new video. You feel me? I'm gonna just do it on my own, and I'm gonna keep this shit to myself, because it's like, I can't waste time out here, and I got to use all my time wisely so I can get my money back and raise my business and raise my life. You feel me? And add more value to society by doing these things. But I only add value to society that appreciates, because I remember back in the days when I was giving and I wasn't receiving no feedback. Yes, I was learning as a human being and such, but like, I realized, like, I'm only gonna give when it's appreciated, yo. Because if I'm giving and it's not appreciated, it's like I'm wasting my time, really. So it's like, if you appreciate the shit, let me know, and let it be known, and let's keep growing. And honestly, another thing I learned, yo, all the lessons of all those games when I was rising up and I learned all this stuff about crypto, I still have that. You feel me? I still have all that knowledge. Like, that didn't go away. That's why I said only the tangible disappeared. But the intangible things, the grit, the know-how, the understanding of the markets, all that, I still got all that. You feel me? So I'm about to use that stuff to come back up. And honestly, yo, if you yourself need crypto coaching, if you yourself got some money to the side and you like, man, I wonder what I'm gonna do with this, shoot, I got you. Hit me up in the email in the description. I'm gonna say, yo, if you need crypto coaching, hit me up. We can talk about it, and we can see if we a good fit to work together. Because I only want to work with people that's trying to work, and people that's trying to rise. Like, I want my whole network to be people that's trying to become the best version of themselves, and the people that's really trying to get money out here. I'm not talking about nobody that's on the fence. So it's like, those are the only people I'm finna work with. We're gonna create a group, mastermind. I don't know. I got all kinds of ideas going. But yeah, if you want that one-on-one coaching, hit my email right now. I'm responding to everybody. Like, I got time now, you know what I'm saying? Because like, I gotta come back from the ground up. But yeah, I also got some other business ventures, and I could talk to you about all those too. So like, we getting money out here either way, dog. Win or loss, we coming back stronger, man. That's the whole goal, you feel me? And that's how we live in life out here. So if you enjoyed this video, you already know, 10 likes, 10 subscribes, 10 comments for the next video, and I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what we doing to come up. You feel me? But yeah, y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay loved. Wave Squad. Dudes!